Hi, this is Michael Canales. We're at Pi World Gothenburg, and we're speaking to some of the partners and developers today. And right now, today we're going to speak to Eric Klein at Janssen. Eric, tell us what you do at Janssen.
Hi Mike, thank you very much. My name is Eric Klein and I'm working at Janssen as a senior lead data analytics and working to implement multivariate analysis where we don't just look at one variable against another, but we look at a whole set of variables and try to determine if there's correlation between different production parameters in a way that was previously not possible. So for example, the thing we've been working on this year is determining how the raw materials in our bioreactors actually impact the bioreactor performance, where we try to see how does this inherent variability impact our reliability and our productivity, see if we can find the correlations such as, for example, the raw material components relating back to this reliability and productivity, and see, okay, what can we do to control this variability to ensure that we're always getting the best results.
Now, one thing that comes up a lot is the pharma industry is fairly efficient. It's always had digital technology. From our perspective, but you're saying actually there's a lot of headroom left for efficiency.
Yes, definitely. So in the pharma, the processes are very subject to control, which I think is a very good thing. It ensures that we are always supplying safe medication to...
It's job one.
Yeah, so safety first for the patients. What we actually try to do is using techniques that were never used before to see the inefficiency that was there due to the control. Can we do a different way of control, or do we maybe not need to do a certain level of control because we can predict what was going to happen to ensure that we increase that efficiency?
Excellent. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you too.